got a car whose exhaust is not working. I got you. You can see there's a hole in the catalytic converter. Best solution is get yourself M-Seal. Two parts, you need to mix them in equal parts. I have taken two equal parts and now let's mix it up. It is properly mixed, it will become soft and exothermic reaction will happen, which means it will start to become hot. That is the time you come to know that you have properly mixed the two parts. Once mixed, apply properly and evenly throughout to cover the hole. Half an hour to dry. That's the final result.